And this is what a sticky valve looks like. And I won't go to the end of the bore. There. Now it's free.